Benvenuti nel mio nuovo video. Oggi facciamo la salita a Montecorno passando per Covolo e Contracampana e scenderemo per il sentiero che parte dalla Malga Sugno, quello che ho fatto tempo fa a piedi. Sono in compagnia di Cece, Matteo, Nicola e Massimo. Ciao, a dopo. Salita da Calvene su Mortisa, Covolo e Contracampana. Inizia la salita da Calvene fino a Contracampana. Ci vediamo in cima. Noi teniamo a sinistra per Covolo, fra poco comincia Starato. Contra Covolo, gioiellino di frazione. Benvenuti al Covolo. Starato fino a Contracampana. Neanche 2 ore arrivati a Contracampana, la campana più vecchia del Veneto, quella qua.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic.
Qui teniamo a sinistra Villaggio Bianco. Adesso provo la bici elettrica.
Infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
La mountain bike elettrica sul pezzo più duro, guardate, neanche fatica. Da Ristoro, ex osteria Ristoro, teniamo a sinistra e facciamo la Spacca Maroni. Arriviamo fino a Cavalletto del Montecorno, cima là. Dopo 2 ore e 43 e 25 km, 1300 metri di livello, siamo arrivati a Cavalletto. Adesso andiamo a recuperare acqua e poi facciamo un panino alla malga.
Let's go! I move quietly, like a shadow, there's a dark side to me. I work privately to go build and create my own dynasty. A new rivalry, it emerges ever so silently. But I got fight in me, so I'll squash anything that's trying me. I'm like, me versus you, I hope that you know what you're getting into. I got nothing to lose, so you better watch out, can't predict my moves. I'll make you irrelevant, I don't stop till I'm at the top settling. I live here like a local resident, and you know I ain't selling it.
I won't stop, I'm here to get what I want.
Cotto, io sono cotto.
Take a shot, I'll overpower any.
Qui Malga Serona a mangiare un panino e birra. Panino e birra, adesso andiamo a Malga Sugno.
Round two, I gotta screw loose. I'll work all night if it's what I gotta do. Who needs sleep when the caffeine's brewed? I don't fatigue, I just have to move. I don't work with others, they just saw me.
A sinistra e facciamo Malga Sugno Sentiero 677. Invece Cece e Matteo vanno per la strada normale, per la strada. Ciao Cece, alla prossima. Noi scendiamo verso Malga Sugno.
Cause I am not someone that you would wanna cross. I won't stop, I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost, I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot, I'll overpower any boss. Cause I am not someone that you would wanna cross. I won't stop, I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost, I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot, I'll overpower any boss. Cause I am not someone that you would wanna cross. I won't stop, I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost, I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot, I'll overpower any boss. Cause I am not someone that you would wanna cross.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Go, 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 go.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything.
Per Sentiero 677 a Caltrano.
And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Go, go, go,
go, go, go, go, go, go, go, go, go, go, go, go, go, go, go, go, go, go, go, slow, go, still go, go, slow, go, still go, I know it's so long, still go.
E dai, anche... Ci sono pezzi più o meno impegnativi, sicuramente per me sono abbastanza impegnativi.
Obsessed with the pain I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you see greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on.
Dopo oltre 40 km, 1260 metri, siamo arrivati a Piovene, sani e salvi. Il sentiero 777 mi sembra molto impegnativo da Margasugno. Smosso, la famiglia Ceresara al completo ce l'ha fatta. Siamo solo noi.
Con 5 polmoni lasciati giù.
Nicola è finito, io invece sto bene, sono in forma. Saluto, alla prossima, mettetemi un like, iscrivetevi al canale e trovate la traccia GPX nelle descrizioni. Ciao!